Bristol Community College, Mathematics with Dan Avedikian, Math 060, Topics in Developmental Mathematics, Section 3.2, Problem 8. This is Section 3.2, Problem 8. It says use the symbol less than, greater than, or equal to make a true statement. And we're comparing two numbers, 4.015 and 4.10. They look fairly similar. One of them seems to have more digits. You may feel that that would make it bigger, but that's actually not the case. To really see which one is larger, you want to start with the leftmost digit and make a comparison. They both have a 4, so that's a tie. So we'll move in one digit to the right, make a comparison. One of the numbers has a 0, the other number has a 1. Now 1 is larger than 0. That makes 4.10 the larger value, regardless of what comes after that position. So 4.10 is the larger value. I want to choose the inequality symbol then where the open end would face the larger value. So I want the open end of my inequality symbol to face the 4.10.